INSP. Okay, let's go check whether it looks good. Okay, I think we can try INSP. Yeah, we could try INSP. Yeah, it looks a bit advanced, but I may just take it because of the shape of the parabolic stars. It looks like it's gonna run along. So let's go with it. Let's go with INSP. Okay. So if I and it's moving fast. So let's go with INSP, right? Let's go with INSP, and then let's just try to buy it out. Let's just try to buy it. INSP. Did it buy? Yes, it did. It bought. Okay. So now we're gonna sell it. Good one. INSP looks like it's good. All right. So we're gonna just take this. What is the likely place it will go, or we just have to create the next step for it? I think the next place it could go is 182. Let's check 182. Check 182. Okay, let's check 182 and put the entire thing there. Ah, it was supposed to be 6, 7. No, 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 no. We needed to give us at least 40 cents. Okay, so that was supposed to be like, let's even say that was 70. 70 plus 40, so that it should give us 20.10, right? Am I right? Let me go check it. My mathematics at times gets mixed up. All right, so let me check that out again. Let's put 19.67 plus 0.40. Okay, let's say maybe 20.10, something in that range. Yeah. So something that will give me. Oh, sorry, we're currently on MEXC. So somehow it actually went down. Oh my God, it went down. But let's wait and see. I mean, you guys said you wanted to see INSP, so I'm currently on INSP. Let us see what it is gonna give us. Okay, so let me put this as 1185, and let's see. Oh, that's let's put 183, 182, 183, 183, 184. Okay, let's do that. 184 or 185. Let's just put 185. 185 is not bad, really. Let's look at it. 185 isn't bad. Let's go for it. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Okay, so we've gone into INSP and we've carried a trade. Okay, yeah. Kaham says we should go for INSP. So let's go and see how long this is going to take. Okay, so we're currently in the queue. INSP. Let's wait and see how long this is going to take. And we'll be back to check you out. So INSP did well, right? We got it executed and we made $20.17. Let me show you back again. On the trade history, we made $20.17. We spent how much? $19.66. Look at it, $19.66. Can you see that? And then we made $20.17, and that was 51 cents that we made as profit. And from what we calculated, you can see that that was 2.6% profit or somewhat, right? So that's it. Right, that's it. So I got a message from someone saying that why do you use small amounts to trade? And I let the person know that look, I'm here to show people that you can actually trade with small amounts and make profit. All right. And on this channel, I use small amounts between $20 to like about $100 to show different quantities and portions of trade so that we can see that it's very possible. You don't have to have $500 before you can trade. You can trade with as little as $10, $15, $20, and as much as that. In fact, right now in MEXC here, you don't even need more than $5 to trade. I'm telling you, you can trade with $5 here on MEXC, and there are no trading fees. I'm letting you know that this is a very good place, a very good, you know, exchange to use, and they use very small amounts. Even KuCoin, I think you can use $5. It's only in Binance that you can use that you have to use $10. Okay, you don't have to have $1,000. I'm just showing you what is possible with $1,000. As long as there's enough liquidity in that pair, you can trade it. Okay, $1,000, $5,000, $20,000, as much as you want to do it. Yeah, I just want to let you know that it's possible, and you don't have to have those big amounts. You can use any amount to trade. Okay, so now we can see that in MEXC we have executed INSP